Hi, I'm Olivia. I stopped by the burger place on my way home.
Hello, welcome to Burger Town. Hey there, what can I get you?
Yeah, I think I'll just get fries today.
Just fries? Be serious, you came all the way here, uh, for fries?
I'm trying to eat light today.
At a burger shop?
Exactly. It's called balance.
Well, I call it denial. Come on, our cheeseburgers are basically famous.
Tempting, but no. I had a big lunch.
Then skip dinner, make this your dinner. It's basic math.
Okay, fine. Cheeseburger combo. You win.
Always do. What drink?
Iced tea. I'm still pretending to be healthy.
Respect. Curly fries are regular.
Early. Life's too short for straight fries.
Now you're talking. That'll be $9.50.
You're good at this.
Convincing people to eat burgers? It's my true calling.
Well, thanks for ruining my diet.
Anytime your order's 19. And don't worry, this place is a judgment-free zone.
It better be. This is the best burger I've ever had.